once again everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time joining me today. Hi, my name is Hannah. I don't usually look like this if you're new here, but I have some kind of spur of the moment unboxings that I want to go ahead and do today, and I don't really have time to put my face on because my boyfriend and I have a lot of stuff to do today. We have to put some concrete down in the backyard because Kess, our dog, keeps trying to dig out of the backyard, so we're gonna line the places that she has been digging with concrete so that she can't get out and all that stuff. You probably didn't care if you're not like invested in this channel or whatever, but I want to explain why I don't have a shred of makeup on my face today. And I'm a very red person. I'm not sunburned. I just have a very red face. Chalk that up to my Native American great-grandmother. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into these unboxings. I have my boxes right here, and let's jump into this. So the first thing that I have is a Lush box unboxing, and as usual, my boyfriend ordered this for me without telling me. So I didn't know about it until like yesterday. So I'm just gonna unbox these. This is the Intergalactic Bath Bomb, and it doesn't really tell me the scent, but if I remember correctly, this is very citrusy, and I love this. It's super, super duper sparkly and colorful. Love this bath bomb. It's like one of my favorites. I've probably had this one the most. And this one right here is the Turtle Bath Bomb, and I think that he said it's brand new, and it is one of the jelly bath bombs. I got the jelly collection a couple months ago, and I don't like love the texture of the jelly bath bombs, but he said he just got this because it's new and he wanted me to try it. So plus it's adorable. It's shaped like a turtle, and we've had like an infestation of turtles in our backyard recently, so it's kind of fitting that this is a turtle. We've had to rescue like 3 turtles already, and I don't even know how many lizards. We have so many lizards. But then this one is the pink bath bomb. Oh, it matches my shirt. But yeah, it's pink. It's very, very glittery. Let me see if it says the smell. Lavender. Oh yeah, I smell that. This is lavender. I don't know what the turtle one is supposed to be. I'm seeing, oh, seaweed, pine needle, sea salt, so very oceany. But okay, so there's those. Oh God, I'm dropping peanuts everywhere. The next one, as you guys know, if you've watched my other Lush haul, I love this one. This is one of my favorite bath bombs. It's the Yellow Submarine, and I love it probably so much because the Beatles are like my favorite band ever. So yeah, Yellow Submarine. This is pretty citrusy too. It's got orange oil, lemongrass oil, very citrusy. Plus it looks really cool. Oh my God. The light is not wanting to cooperate. I'm sorry. I'm sitting in front of a gigantic window, so it's just not wanting to focus. What the heck is this one? Oh, this is the new one too. It's called Guardian of the Forest. I'm trying to kind of shield it from this window here. I don't know. Well, I guess I'll have to hold my hand out. I don't know. But this is called Guardian of the Forest, and oh, it smells very woodsy. So lime oil, rosewood, cypress oil. The cypress oil is really, really strong. And there's one more in here. And this one, I believe I've had before too, and it's called Rocket Science. I'm trying to, and it's a rocket ship. That smells really good. Bergamot oil, cream of tartar, lemon oil. So this smells really good if I'm recalling correctly. Okay, so that's my little Lush unboxing. Now I'm gonna move on to the stuff that we got at the flea market today. So let's jump into that box. Okay, so here's the box of stuff we got at the flea market today. It's in an Avon, an old Avon box. So let's dive into this. I'm kind of scared. Okay, so the first thing is this little hot plate that has a mushroom design on it. I thought that this was so cute, and if I recall correctly, it was $6, and I'm gonna hang this up in the kitchen. I think that that is just adorable. So the very next thing is this little dragon. He was described as an angry dragon. I don't know, his little wing must have come apart when it got put in the bag, I don't know. But it slides back down in there, so I can just glue that back. And this wasn't very expensive. I think it was $10 or something. But Dustin really loved it. He's gonna keep it in his game room for like his little Dungeons and Dragons games. So there's him. I'm gonna have to set him aside so that, oh, I'm sorry about the squeaking, by the way. Cass got a new toy today and she's obsessed with it, so she won't stop squeaking. Okay, so the next thing is this little wizard figurine here. I saw him and I thought that he was adorable. So this is probably gonna either go in the living room or in his game room as well, but I thought he was really cool, and he was like $15, and the original price sticker under here says $170, and it says Enchantica 1988 Holland Studio Craft, hand painted in Staffordshire, England. So I'm sorry about this lighting, y'all. It's ridiculous today, but so that's what he looks like. He's really cute. I love him. So the next thing that we got is this really cool wood carved like Japanese scene here. I really hope you can see it, but all that in there is wood carving, like carved wood and everything. And I saw it and thought that this was amazing, and the lady at the the flea market was like, oh my gosh, y'all just have a great eye, because apparently we were picking out like everything that she loved. So I just thought that this was so stinking cool. Like, look at all that detail. And it doesn't have the price on here anymore, but I want to say it was like $10. So this is really cute, and I cannot wait to display this in the living room. Okay, so the last thing that I have to show y'all is this little matching jar, and it matches a candy jar that I got at an antique store a while ago. Anyway, this matches. This is like a harvest colored glass, and it's got grapes and leaves all over it, and like I say, it matches a candy jar that I got a couple of months ago, and I'll post a picture to like show y'all that it's like a perfect match. I was shocked. And I was like, I have to get this, and it was on sale for $15. So that's what it says on here. Well, it said carnival glass, but this isn't carnival glass, because if you know vintage glass, carnival glass is the really iridescent glass, but a lot of people do call just colored glass carnival glass. It says vintage harvest glass, grape, gold, candy jar, I guess. The person who wrote it writes kind of weird, but it's really cool. I can't wait. I want to fill like the whole kitchen with these kind of things. I love colored glass. I think that it's just like the prettiest stuff ever. And I actually looked it up after I got my first piece. And apparently it's really called depression glass, because in like the Great Depression and everything, they started making colored glassware to kind of brighten up people's homes and cheer them up a little bit, because it was like really hard to afford anything back then, and if you had colorful stuff in your house, you would be less sad about it. So I don't know, but anyway, I love colored glass, so I was so happy to see this. It's so stinking cute. I love it. So this is the last piece that I had to show y'all. Thank y'all so much for joining me again today. Leave me a like if you like this video. Comment down below. Tell me if you love flea markets. Do you love Lush? What's your favorite Lush product? What's your favorite place to go thrift shopping or to a flea market? Let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe, because I make new videos every Monday and Friday. Thank you guys once again so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys next time.